In this video, let's see how to fix invalid payment plans. When you change someone's enrollment, the original payment plan becomes invalid. Changes to enrollments trigger an alert in the top right corner of Enrollsee, letting you know there is a payment plan that requires your attention. Click on the Invalid Payment Plans alert to view details. A new window will open. Any accounts listed will have invalid payment plans. Click the refresh table to pull in any new accounts. Click on the account name to go to that account's billing page and view the payment plan details. Click on the X to close out the invalid payment plan window. On the invalid payment plan, you will see a notice in red that says, "The class the payment was associated with is no longer part of this enrollment. You can delete this payment plan or assign it to the program or a class on this enrollment." Select the Edit button to either assign the payment plan or delete it. Click on the Assign Payment Plan button to select a program or class to reassign the payment plan to. Click on either program level or another class in the drop-down menu. Click the Save button to confirm and save the payment plan settings. To remove the payment plan, click on the Change button within the payment plan settings. Select Remove this payment plan to delete the current payment plan. Click on the Remove button in the confirmation pop-up to confirm the removal of the payment plan. You can also change the payment plan to another plan by clicking the Change button. Select Choose Different Payment Plan in the drop-down menu. Select the payment plan you want from the list. Click on the Add Charge Item button to add the charge items and amounts. Choose the charge items from the list. Click the Reuse button to apply the entered amount to all scheduled payment events. Confirm the action by clicking Yes in the pop-up. Click Save to finalize the changes.